This relates to task nonconformity and unfavorable task verification. As admins, we can add comments for employees to see and correct the task based on our guidance. Since the employee hit the nonconformity button, the task status shows as verified but pending resubmission. Why? Because the manager will request a new task verification, providing guidance on how to correctly complete it. There's employee disagreement as shown here, with info on the verification and disagreement automatically pulled in. And the incident history. On the 15th, when the task was verified with disagreement, the date of the employee's disagreement was recorded. We activate the first toggle, allowing us to send the modal form with a task reproposal. Here, as we drag the dynamic info of the employee's disagreement, we don't see validate task, but repropose task instead. Once we activate the first toggle, the second preset toggle activates with non-conforming and task validation non-conforming description. We could now validate and close the task. Moving the second toggle left would change its state to without disagreement, as shown before. Without issues, task validation would pass, and the button would change to validate task. But since there's a problem we want fixed, the toggle stays red, and we resend the task for the employee to verify again. Now the task status in the admin's random validation panel changes. And what does this mean? It's a task that needs revision. The label changes color and the counter updates, showing the time left for the employee to re-verify the task, set to 2 days. If we can't edit, an hourglass icon shows we must wait for the employee to send a satisfactory verification. We filtered this task with the reproposition status, meaning we've returned it to the employee for correction. So we proceed, and now the employee sees the task highlighted in red. Why is it in red? It's a task pending correction, with a 2-day countdown for the employee to verify it, excluding weekends and holidays. Now in the task info, we see a new button labeled View Task Reproposition. Clicking it opens a model with the preloaded correction image to successfully complete the task verification, along with text entered by the admin in the previous model, instructing us how to proceed with this verification to ensure it's completed successfully and to the satisfaction of all parties. We then proceed to capture the verification by clicking the Capture Verification button, which opens